Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how to mine on a Binance Pool. Now, the first thing I want you to do once you're logged into Binance, come here, tap on More, and then I want you to tap on Megadrop. Now, you'll be redirected to this page right here. And from here, this is the mining dashboard. And go ahead and click on mining dashboard and create a mining account, right? You'll need to give in some details. For example, your name, your mining account name, select the miner you'll be using. You can also add any remarks for your own reference. And then you just check this box right here to agree to the terms and conditions, and then tap on create. So once it is created, right, you will be seeing a guide that explains how to connect your miners to Binance Pool, along with configuration examples to help you set up your mining equipment. Okay, and please note that mining accounts cannot be deleted. Mining accounts, the names also cannot be modified. Okay, so then what you need to do is set it up, right? Go ahead and use and configure the pool URL, right? So they give you some examples right here as well. And then you just configure the worker name and password. And after that, you go ahead and proceed. You can also come here, click on workers once you're done, and you can check all the hash rates. Okay, after all the miners are up and running, the performance statistics, they're expected to be live in approximately, I would say, 10 minutes. And to view the active hash rates, you just select your workers, and then you can select active. Okay, and you can also check your earnings because the settlement cycle calculates from 12 a.m. of the previous day to 12 a.m. of the current day UTC time. And after the settlement is completed, the mining income will be credited to your Binance funding wallet. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.